Justice and human rights advocates gather their voices firm and unwavering as they raise a grave concern on democracy, judicial independence, and citizen safety under attack. Dr. Emmanuel Agabi, the Executive Director of the Justice and Human Rights Advocate, detailed how the state government had ignored clear court ruling. A retained order from the National Industrial Court had banned the appointment of caretaker local government chairman, but the government had done so. The law, it seems, was only a tool for those in power to ignore and manipulate at will. Then there were the attack on the judiciary itself. Attempts has been made to remove Chief Judge Maurice Ikpambese without the necessary approval from the National Judicial Council. Legal experts, along with Nigerian Bar Association, had condemned the move, calling it a direct assault on judicial independence.
Furthermore, the NBA called upon all elected officials to desist from arbitrary and unconstitutional actions that jeopardize the sanctity of the judiciary. They also urged law enforcement agencies to ensure that Justice Ikpambese is not prevented from discharging his duties, emphasizing the imperative to protect judicial officers from any form of harassment or intimidation. Non-payment of judiciary staff salaries leading to prolonged strikes. The failure to pay judiciary staff salaries has resulted in prolonged strikes, effectively paralyzing judicial activities in the state and denying citizens their right to timely justice. Despite the government's announcement of a new 75,000 naira minimum wage, judiciary workers were excluded from this implementation, leading to further discontent. The governor's or the government inability to resolve these salary disputes not only hampers the judiciary's functionality, but also erodes public trust in the state's commitment to uphold the rule of law. Invasion of the Election Petition Tribunal with sponsored thugs. There have been reports of thugs allegedly sponsored by the state government invading the Election Petition Tribunal, brandishing placards with inscriptions such as "No Alia, No Benue," and "NJC and CJN, leave Benue alone." These actions are perceived as attempts to intimidate the judiciary and obstruct the course of justice, raising concerns about the erosion of judicial independence in Benue State. These actions collectively paint a picture of anti-democratic tendencies that threaten the very fabric of governance in Benue State. The Supreme Court, in its recent judgment concerning Rivers State, highlighted that the absence of a functioning legislature equates to a lack of governance. The situation in Benue is even more dire, with both the legislative and judicial arms under siege, leading to a collapse of democratic governance.